Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome aboard, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And stay tuned for the rest of this video because I'm going to give you my thoughts on this copper gold unit. But before we get started, make sure you hit the thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video. So today I am reviewing Outre's lace front wig. It's the style Tatum in the color DR4/copper gold. And this unit was sent to me by SHOPHAIRWIGS, so shout out to them. And this unit is $36 on their website. All of their information is listed below. And they have some really good shipping prices too, so make sure you guys check them out. And honestly, I have mixed emotions about this unit. I feel like it's a cute unit. It just doesn't feel like it's me. I don't know. And it was super easy to put on. It has 2 caps in the front, 1 cap in the back, adjustable straps on the side, and it was super easy. All I did was pluck the part a little bit in the middle. I used my MAC press powder and a little brush and literally just went in, and that was it. So it's giving me, you know, more of a natural look, which I like, but I think it's the style, this crimpy look. I just don't think it looks right on me. I know I look cute in the unit, but it's just not me. But it definitely is pretty. I will say that. It does have a little bit of shedding, and yeah, it does have a little bit of shedding. It is big hip friendly, and there's no tangles. So I think this unit is good to go. And you can see the ombre of color. So it goes from dark to medium to light. I just feel like there's not much you could do with it besides this. But I'll give you guys a 360. And I think that's pretty much it. I did not do my edges, as you guys can see. I was like, what's the point? The hair covers it up. No point in me doing extra work because I'm a lazy wig wearer. And that's pretty much it. This was a super quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video. And I will see you guys next time.